What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Rhinoshield CrashGuard NX and Impact Screen Protector. So let's get into the video. First off, let's start with the CrashGuard NX. This is a bumper-like case for the Apple Watch to protect you from hitting it up against a wall or anything like that. It also has a little bit of a lip on the front, so if you didn't want to get the screen protector, it would still have some scratch protection and bump protection in the front. Now, it does come in two pieces. You have the main piece that you just slide the Apple Watch into, and then it has the little bumper that snaps on to the front to keep the case from falling off. Snaps on pretty easily all together, and then you just slide your band right on. Make sure it clicks on both sides, and there you go. That's how simple it is to put on the CrashGuard case. Now, I've had this Apple Watch for about 8 or 9 months, and I've had this case on it the entire time. The other case will be going to my mom because she recently got an Apple Watch, and this is, of course, the Apple Watch SE, but the case does come in just about every size Apple Watch you can get. Now, since this front piece does come off, you can, of course, swap it out for any color you want, and they have a lot of colors on their website, and they also have a lot of colors on the bumper on their website as well, but I went for simple black so that you can match it with just about anything. Now, to install, you of course just make sure that this little divot here is in line with the crown over there, and then you just slot it into place. And there you go. It's that simple. Now let's get into the screen protector. To start off, you want to make sure that you have your band removed from your watch, and of course any case that you have removed from your watch. This appears to be the applicator. Let's open this part first. Looks like it shows right here a QR code to go to the tutorial, so I'm going to watch that real quick and I'll be right back. First off, go ahead and put your Apple Watch on this foam pad, and then I'm going to add a step that they don't have. You can get these at Walmart or Target or wherever. They are lens wipes. They're meant to clean your glasses, but they do a really good job of cleaning phone screens or watches or monitors or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this first so I can get off any fingerprints or anything really easily. And then any residue that's left behind by this slowly evaporates to leave nothing on the screen. And then I will proceed to go along with their steps. And then normally in the process, you would use this cloth to wipe it down, but instead I used my own. And then grab one of these guide stickers off of here. And then use it to get off any remaining dust. Make sure and go ahead and get all the way to the edge of the glass screen, because this screen protector does wrap around the entire screen. Then go ahead and put the applicator around the watch. Should just slide in there. Then you can go ahead and grab the screen protector, and I will be doing this next step off cam so that I can get a better look at the watch and make sure there's nothing on it before installing the screen protector, and then I'll be right back. Now that I've got the screen protector laid on the screen, I'm going to grab the squeegee, wrap the cloth around it so I'm less apt to scratch the screen protector, and then gently apply even pressure and make sure you get all the bubbles out. Now, I do have to admit it was kind of hard to get the bubbles out, but once you do get them out, I'm hoping that they don't come back, because I have had screen protectors in the past that over time the bubbles will come back, or when I put this case back on, the bubbles will come back, and then the screen protector is basically useless because you've got annoying bubbles all over your screen. Now that it's been a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and carefully put this back in the case. Now you do want to be extremely careful here that you don't nick the edge of the screen protector and peel it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and reapply the bumper. This part you have to be extremely careful with as well, that you don't put too much pressure and move around the screen protector in case it's not dried. Now overall, I think that was a pretty frustrationless application there, and although the bubbles are kind of hard to get out, it's well worth just making sure that you get every single bubble out, because there are other screen protectors on the market that if you don't get all the bubbles out initially, they'll return. And even if you do get all the bubbles out initially, by putting the case on, it creases the edges and it makes more bubbles. But I'm yet to see any bubbling. It looks all good. One thing to note is there is a black edge around the edge of the screen protector, but that doesn't seem to be blocking any content on the watch face or anything like that. And you can't even really tell where it is. I mean, if you look really close, you might be able to tell. But from a normal looking distance, I can't see the black versus the clear part of the screen protector. Now, one thing to mention is I had this bumper without the screen protector for about 8 to 9 months. Then once they released the screen protector and I noticed that they released the screen protector, I of course got it, because although the bumper is great for protecting the edges of the Apple Watch, it isn't great for protecting the screen. Although it will protect it from dropping or anything like that, it won't protect it from scratching. So I highly recommend, if you get the case, that you do get the screen protector with it so that you don't get scratching or anything, because I have gotten a couple scratches, but once I put the screen protector on, I won't get any more. And even if you do end up scratching the screen protector itself, the watch is still fine. And down the line, you can always just get a new screen protector, take this one off and put that one on, and you're good as new. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.